This is Filmmasters. On this episode, I'm releasing the new sound pack. It's called Sonic Universe. It uses this little microphone which records electronic signals from electronic devices. So I've been recording mobile phones, computers, audio equipment, everything that has electronic signal on it. I've recorded it with the Zoom H1, which is a cheap little sound recorder. So get hold of one of these microphones if you want to make your own. Otherwise, in the download link below is the download files, so you can download them and start using them. I'm going to jump into Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how you can do a basic mix up with these sound files. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so we're going to have a look at Sonic Universe now. I've got it open. We can have a look at what's in the folders. Let's have a look. Let's select Echo Space. Echo Space is all the ambient background sounds that you'll be using to build on your effects. So you've got 20 of these. So all up in this pack, we've got 70 free sound files. I've got 50 in the Sonic, and we've got the 20 in the Echo Space. So the Echo Space has the nice ambient sounds, and then with the Sonic, it's all the glitches and all the sound effects that come from all the electrical equipment, so all the like modem buzzing and so forth. So I'm going to grab some of these. So let's just grab a few. So I'm going to grab 11, and I might just grab 15 while I'm at it. Select Open. And let's go into Echo Space. I'm just going to grab the first one, and let's open it up and just listen in to hear what the first one sounds like. So we've got that nice echo reverb sound going on. So let's just grab that, put that on the timeline. Actually, before we do, I want to quickly show you the new logo for Filmmasters. So we've got this nice glitch going on here. It's like a nice glitch opening. And we want to make it sound like it's got a bit of a distorted electronic sound effect, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to quickly drag this on the timeline. So all I'm doing is showing you how easy it is to use this free sound pack. And I'm going to listen into number 11. And let's listen into 15. Excellent. So what I've done, obviously, is with the Sonic sound effects, they've already been pre-cut. So I've already chosen all the best sound samples out of the recordings, and that's what you can throw in as your glitches. So down in the description area of this video is a free download for this pack. Also, I'll put the hyperlink in there for the Glitcher. The Glitcher is a free glitch pack that you can use in Adobe After Effects, HitFilm, Premiere Pro, and so forth. Obviously, because this Echo Space is sound files, you're able to use them in all your editing programs, in After Effects, HitFilm, and any sound doors that you might have. So I'm going to throw one of these on there. Let's just throw Sonic on there, 11, and 15 as well. We'll just chuck that down on there. So this is just to show you how simple it is. Now, obviously, if you've got a longer video clip, you can move these around and make them unique to what you're creating, so your own projects. Let's press play, and we're going to listen in to hear what it all sounds like with just a quick edit on the timeline. So that's very easy, as you can see. And again, you can use these in all your other editing programs. I just wanted to show you the pack itself. So again, if you have a look in the samples, there's 2 folders. We've got Echo Space, and we've also got Sonic. Now this one is on my computer. There will be terms and conditions, so make sure you read them. Pretty much the basic of it is, if you're going to be using it for YouTube and that, go for it. Just make sure that you put a hyperlink to the YouTube channel Film Masters in the description to say where you got the sound files from, therefore leading other people to our channel. And if you're going to be using it, I have been getting some emails from people that have been requesting to use these for paid content. Happy to do that also for free. There is certain terms and conditions in regards to that. Obviously, it's free. You don't have to pay me for it. But if it's something that will be listed online, I do want to shout out. That's all.
If you want to become a Film Master sub, it's pretty simple. Subscribe to the channel. You can like us on Facebook and or on Twitter. Until next time, don't just film it, master it.